needed money to start affiliate marketing, a course, ads, a website, a professional setup. I had none of those things, so I started anyway. And I'm going to show you exactly what I built and what it cost me to build it. Spoiler, the total was $0. Hey, I'm Afiya. I'm a single mom building a faceless affiliate marketing business from scratch with no budget, no experience, and no time to waste. This video exists because I was tired of seeing advice that assumed you had money to invest before you could start earning. The advice leaves out an entire category of people who are in the season where building comes before spending. If that is you, this video is for you. All my links are in the description. Let's go. Let me start by clearing out the things you have been told you need that you actually don't. You don't need a website. A stand store or a free Linktree page does the same job for free. You do not need to run ads. Organic content on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube costs nothing and builds an audience that actually trusts you. You don't need a course before you start. You need to learn as you go. The best education in this space truly is doing the thing. And I know that sounds counterintuitive considering I have the affiliate link for the SWC 2.0 program. However, I would be doing a disservice if I were to tell you that that's the only way for you to start this process. And again, it is not. You do not need that course. You can definitely learn as you go. You don't need a professional setup. My entire business runs from my phone, essentially. There's no ring light, no backdrop, there's no studio. However, I might need to get a better mic. I might need to do that though. But you don't need a big following. And I've made progress with under 100 followers because I focused on trust and specifically not value. Every one of these things has been used to make you feel like you're not ready yet, but you are ready. You're just being told otherwise. So let me show you the exact tools I use and what they cost. Canva has a free plan, $0. This is where I make every video, every post, every thumbnail. Buffer free plan. Again, $0. This is my scheduler. I batch my content and schedule 2 weeks at a time. Right now, I'm using it for Instagram. Since I only post a TikTok twice a week, there was no need to pay anything in addition to have that set up. When you initially start off with that buffer plan, you will be allowed one channel to sync or to connect to automate your posting. And then you have your stand store. This is where I pay about $29 a month after the free trial. But here's why even this is optional at the start. You can use Linktree, that's free, or a simple Google Doc with your links in it until you're ready to invest a proper storefront. Start somewhere before you spend. YouTube, again, $0. My long-term content library, free to use, free to grow. Your phone's built-in screen recorder, $0. This is literally how I record everything. For my desktop, I use another tool called Loom, and that one also has a free plan as well. Total monthly cost of my affiliate business in month 1, $0. Everything I just listed has a free version that is good enough to start. So here's the honest part. Starting with no money does not mean starting with no cost. The real investment is time, your time. And for a single mom, that's precious in a way that money sometimes isn't. So I just want to be honest about what a $0 start actually requires from you. It requires consistency over months, not days. The affiliate marketing does not pay in week one or even month one in most cases. You're building a compounding system. The content you create today will be driving traffic and earning commission 6 months from now. It requires a willingness to learn and go. You will not know everything before you start. You will figure it out as you build, and that's okay. This is actually faster than spending 3 months consuming courses before posting a single piece of content. And it requires patience with the process. The numbers are small at first, the views are small, the clicks are small. That's not a sign it's not working. That's what the beginning looks like for everyone. All right, so here's proof I promised you. I launched this YouTube channel weeks ago. I have had real views from real strangers who found me through search, not friends, not family, people who searched for content about SWC 2.0 and affiliate marketing and found my channel. I have had freebie downloads from people who saw my content, felt something, and gave me their email address. Those are my warm leads now. That's the beginning of a real funnel. I built all of this with the free tool stack I just walked you through. No ads, no paid promotion, no money spent beyond my Stand Store subscription. Now these numbers are small. I want to be completely honest about that, but they're real. And real beats nothing every single time. So the women who will be showing big numbers in 6 months are the ones who started with small numbers right now and kept going. I intend to be one of those women, and if you start today, you can be one too. Just saying. So you have everything you need to start today. You have your phone, a free Canva account, you have a social media platform or profile, you have an affiliate program that you've signed up for right now at zero cost. Grab my free guide in the description. It walks you through the 5 content ideas that can make you money even with a brand new account. And if you want me to personally help you map your system, the 30-minute content routine call is in the description below. Comment below with the one thing that has been stopping you from starting. Let's talk about it. And this is what I'd like you to walk away with. $0 real income. The decision is yours.